Welcome to Nature Explorers, another day, another story. In this new video we will talk about possible solutions to protect ecosystems, habitats, and biodiversity. To mitigate the threats to ecosystems, habitats, and biodiversity, it is essential to implement solutions that address the root causes of these threats. The following are some of the solutions that can help protect ecosystems, habitats, and biodiversity. Habitat conservation. Habitat conservation involves protecting natural habitats from human activities, such as deforestation and urbanization. Protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves, are essential for preserving habitats and the species that depend on them. Habitat conservation can also involve the restoration of degraded habitats to improve their ecological function and support the recovery of species. Efforts to protect and restore habitats, reduce fragmentation, and promote connectivity between different habitats are essential to maintain healthy ecosystems and support the long-term sustainability of human societies. Sustainable use of natural resources. The sustainable use of natural resources involves using resources in a way that does not deplete or degrade them over time. This includes sustainable fishing and hunting practices, the use of renewable energy sources, and sustainable agriculture practices that conserve soil and water resources. The sustainable use of natural resources can help maintain the ecological balance of ecosystems and support the long-term viability of biodiversity. It is crucial to balance human needs with conservation goals to ensure that natural resources are used in a sustainable and equitable way. Pollution control. Pollution control involves reducing the release of harmful substances into the environment and promoting the use of cleaner technologies and practices. This includes regulations and policies that limit the release of pollutants into the environment, development of cleaner technologies and practices, and public education and outreach to promote sustainable behaviors. It is crucial to address pollution in order to protect human health, maintain ecosystem services, and support sustainable development. Climate change mitigation and adaptation. Climate change mitigation involves reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow the rate of climate change, while adaptation involves preparing for and adapting to the impacts of climate change that are already underway. Climate change mitigation and adaptation measures include promoting renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and developing climate-resilient infrastructure. These measures can help protect ecosystems and biodiversity from the impacts of climate change. Control of invasive species. The control of invasive species includes early detection and rapid response to new invasions, monitoring and control of established invasive species, and prevention of new introductions through regulations and public education. This can involve the use of physical and chemical control methods, and the promotion of native species to outcompete invasive species. Controlling invasive species can help protect native species and maintain the ecological balance of ecosystems. Conclusion: ecosystems, habitats, and biodiversity are essential for maintaining the ecological balance of the Earth and supporting human well-being. However, they face several threats from human activities, including habitat loss, overexploitation, pollution, climate change, and invasive species. To protect ecosystems, habitats, and biodiversity, it is essential to implement solutions that address the root causes of these threats. These solutions include habitat conservation, sustainable use of natural resources, pollution control, climate change mitigation and adaptation, and control of invasive species. By taking these steps, we can help protect the Earth's ecosystems, habitats, and biodiversity for current and future generations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Nature Explorers today and be transported to a world of adventure, learning, and pure, unadulterated beauty.